professional relationship.
They always say don't mix business with pleasure.
But I think it's unavoidable. You build relationships with the people you work with, whether it be friendships or whatever. I don't think putting yourself in a box. Of course, if that's the rule of the workplace, then you have to respect it. I mean, you're going in there. Whoever your employer may be, they may have certain guidelines and certain rules. You have to adhere by them because you chose to work there. Pero if wala naman, I think that's okay. As long as, I mean, that's not something you plan. I don't think that's something you can plan na punta ako dito ako tatrabaho and madidevelop ako sa akin. I think that yung weird thing.
Although there are, di ba,
But it's something
kasi
that
nga they always
actually...
say don't mix business with pleasure. May mga companies and what na talagang strict
Walang fraternization.
policies na bawal, di ba? Strictly dapat professional. But there are some na actually it works better pa nga for them na they start out as professional, co-workers, tapos for example na lang po, yung stuntman namin kagabi, si Ralph, yung asawa niya stuntwoman din. Akalain mo, ang galing pa for their business, ang galing pa for their partnership. So what started out as a professional relationship, mas umuti pa nga
Kaya sila
for
family
them
na,
na naging
magkapatid sila, tsaka yung
personal relationship.
some other
So